Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open our browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome. And now let's enter the settings. So let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. And now let's enter the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. Of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if you've got, if in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. We can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. It's of course up to you. And if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will remove everything and tap on Clear Data. As you can see, we just got back to the history, which is currently empty. So it means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So actually that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your Oppo Reno 7 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.